my channel. Today we'll be using flaxseed gel on my natural hair. I realized that on my YouTube page I never actually showed you guys how I use flaxseed gel. I only showed you guys how I make it. So today's video is going to be dedicated to how I apply it on my natural hair. Honestly, flaxseed gel is one of my favorite pre-poo options. It's really between flaxseed gel and aloe vera. And honestly, I am truly obsessed with flaxseed gel. The way that it just glides through my tangles, it leaves my hair so moisturized, my curls pop, and it also really helps with length retention and growth. Because I have high porosity hair, it's very important that my hair retains moisture, and flaxseed gel is just one of those pre-poos that helps add moisture back into the hair before shampooing. Sometimes shampooing can sometimes strip the hair. Recently I have just been using strictly moisturizing shampoos, but especially when you use clarifying shampoos, it's very important for you to put that moisture back into your hair. So for me, flaxseed gel really acts as that base before shampooing my hair, if that makes sense. And the gel is just so lightweight. I absolutely love it. It reduces so much breakage before wash day, which really helps. And I also love to apply it to my scalp so it can help soothe any dryness and support a healthier scalp, like environment. Overall, flaxseed gel to me is top tier. One, because it's DIY. You get to save money and you don't have to go out and buy it pre-poo. You can literally just make it at home. And sometimes I even like to freeze the leftover flaxseed gel that I have and even the leftover flax seeds, because I realized that I can boil it twice, so I actually save more product if you say so. But yeah, I'm gonna let you guys enjoy the rest of the video and let's just continue pre-pooing our hair.